Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to learn the subtraction of integers using the number line. As usual, you have the question here. It's made up of three parts. The first number in orange is your starting position. It's a 3, so we are to mark 3 on the number line to start. The next, you have the minus. Minus, that is the direction you are to move. Minus, you are to move in the negative direction, that is towards the left. And 2 is the magnitude, the number of units you are to move. Let's start. And start from 3. You are to move 1 unit and 2 units. You land on 1, and 1 should be your final answer. Moving on, minus 3, minus 2. So minus 3 is your starting position. You are to minus is towards the left. And for 2 units, so 1 unit, that gets you minus 4, and the other unit, that gets you to minus 5. Your answer should be minus 5. Moving on, we encounter a problem that is the minus minus. Don't worry, we have the table. Table tells you when there is a minus minus, you just turn that to plus. As usual, the first number, minus 3, is your starting position, and the plus sign you are to move towards the right for 2 units. So 1 unit and 2 units. You ultimately land on minus 1. So minus 1 should be your final solution. Again, you encounter the same problem, and the minus minus, we just directly turn that to plus. We start from minus 3, plus sign, we are to move towards the right for 3 units. 1, 2, and 3. You land on 0, so your final answer should be 0. The last, we are first to convert the minus minus. We are to start from minus 3, plus you are to move towards the right for 5 units. So let's do it. 2, 3, 4, and 5. You should reach 2, and 2 should be your final solution. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.